Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding and most attractive collection of crochet women circular jacket designs, different color designs, ideas in front of you one by one. You can see different colors like black, blue, red, yellow, green, gray, white of white. You can see combination and also multiple color. So dear friends, you can see different style ideas for beautiful and creative ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. Most attractive and amazing and most wearing collection in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection. Crochet is always beautiful and always trendy and stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get every crochet material like this crochet woman circular jacket designs and others like crochet woman long dresses, short dresses, leg warmers, neck warmers, and women full sleeve dresses, half sleeve, quarter sleeve, sleeveless, and off shoulder, one shoulder dresses, and women scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, poncho designs, caplet, and women fingerless gloves, long gloves, short gloves, and in jewelry necklace designs, earring designs, bracelet designs, and feet jewelry like anklet designs and baby anklet designs, and baby frog designs, romper designs, cap designs, shoes designs, and women footwear collection also, and many more. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. You can order to get amazing crochet circular jacket designs from your choice. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection, and please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.